General Brian, you may not know me, but admit all your crimes now or your closest friends will be...
What? Who's this? Hello? Brian here.
Mr. Brian, sorry to bother you, but we have a massive case coming right up.
Yeah? What is it?
Mustafa has been missing for 2 days without any news.
What was his last job anyway? Let Blaine handle this case. He's good at these cases, right? I'm kind of busy right now. I don't have time to deal with this.
Listen, if this guy doesn't turn up soon, the higher-ups are gonna come down and us. And you do know what that means, right? They'll start the investigation and the guy won't be here to cover it up for you.
Damn it. What am I supposed to do then?
I am not saying that we need to do anything, but let's just say that.
All right. But you gotta be smart with it. You'll handle the details as usual, right?
I will send you all the information, and a forensic doctor has been appointed to assist in the investigation.
Sounds good. Do you know anything about this forensic doctor?
Yes, he's one of my best men out there. He's solved a few tough cases before, and we are very lucky to have him on board.
Okay, I'll head there right now. Evening. General Brian Gunon from the police department.
Yeah.
Did you find anything, Doc?
Evening, sir. We have finished the examination of the victim's last known location. All we found of interest is his ID card and a few of his belongings.
Okay. Did you find anything else?
No. Unfortunately, no. Because at this point, the crime scene has already pretty much been tampered with. There's not much I can conclude about Mustafa's disappearance.
Okay, Doc. I'll take it from here.
I'll leave you to it then.
Hello?
Brian, please help me. I'm in some shack.
In, I don't know where. Please help. No, please.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
I got the location.
I was able to track down the phone that Mustafa called you with.
I'm sending to you right now.
Okay, I'll go there first thing in the morning.
Brian, are you awake?
What? Where am I?
Don't know, don't care. But I really need your phone right now.
It's in my eye pocket.
Okay, hold on a sec. I'm trying to open my handcuffs. What's your password?
It's 322100.
322100. Alright, I'll call for backup. I got it.
General Brian, do you remember me?
Are you the doctor?
Yes, indeed. I see here you have a very naughty and suspicious history in your bank account. Is it true that 3 weeks ago, Mr. Layukalo sent you over 2 billion rupiah in cash without any explanation?
No.
So is it true? Is this your bank account?
How did you get that?
General Brian, you're arrested under the suspicion of corruption and receiving bribes. Take him away!
No, you can't do this. I have friends.
I'll make sure your friends sees you in prison.
What did I even do to you?
You'll see soon enough.
Nice job.
Thanks, Doc.